This Facebook tip comes from Amy Krennick, who is a member of the Sculpey Design Squad, and she taught us this years ago. It's how to get rounded, clean edges when using cutters. Basically what you want to do is just roll out a flat sheet of clay. We used our souffle pistachio for this. Take a sheet of saran wrap, just found in your kitchen, so just some plastic wrap, kind of burnish it down so that it's smooth. Then take your cutter, and what's really important about this is that this is the sharp end and the rolled edge is not the sharp edge, so you want to always cut with the sharp edge. Place it onto the clay and the saran wrap together. Make sure you cut all the way through. Lift the saran wrap up, and then look how smooth and clean and rounded these edges are. So that was this month's Facebook Tip of the Month, and stay tuned next month for another exciting tip. Thanks!